So one of the best variations for lacking mobility in a squat is understanding the most important part of the movement. And that comes back to the first load theory, in which how we want to move. Now, from the beginning, a great modification for the squat is just, I always got to watch out for my mic, is just I'm going to go and hold my hands out because that's going to help with my balance. And also that's going to get them out of the way of the cameras and also the microphone. So from here, I'm just going to practice the first few centimeters. So see how instead of moving with my knees first, I'm opening up with the hips. So I come down with the hips just like that. See how I'm doing that? So I'm really moving actually my hips and my knees at the same time. But if you want to break it down, before that, you can actually completely move your butt and then your knees. And then once you feel like you have that motion going, just go until your motion breaks. So if your knee starts to fall in or your ankle collapses, stop right before that and come back up. Arms in front are fantastic because that's going to help balance your body. Now, because you're not going too low, make sure you don't exaggerate any of the movements. Don't throw your knees out. Don't force these natural movements of what happens when we go lower. Just feel the naturalness of what's going on. So if I'm only going so low, I might not get so much torque in my legs and my knees because I don't need it yet. So just don't force anything. Don't turn up on the side of your ankle and just practice where you're able to go. And as your mobility gets better, and maybe even after you warm up a little bit through this, you're starting to understand that you can open up a little bit more. And if you want, don't go too wide, because if you go too wide like this, you can't get that torque. But go ahead and try to open up your legs a little bit and see if that helps a little bit for you to drop down. And you can even put something under your heels so you're able to stand up and then drop down even more. A matter of fact, I'm gonna do a video of that one and put it in here next, because that's actually something that we don't want long term, but still a fantastic exercise to practice to drop down lower.